After investigating nearly 2,500 complaints across the city, the Kansas City Health Department has shut down a business for not following the city mask mandate for the first time. The department suspended the certificate of occupancy for a U-Haul location off Blue Ridge Boulevard near 71 Highway. KCTV5's Emily Rittman explains what led up to this rare step from city officials.
In Kansas City, Missouri, if you are indoors, employees, customers, and visitors must wear a face mask or covering. At this U-Haul location off of Blue Ridge Boulevard, health department officials say the on-site manager and employees refused to do so, even after the department informed them about complaints. Kansas City, Missouri Health Department field staff report they visited the U-Haul location to investigate complaints and educate staff on how to properly comply with the mask order.
They flat out told us we will not respond, and they said this whole thing is a joke. This is the first one that we had to suspend the certificate of occupancy.
The Kansas City, Missouri Health Department senior public health manager says the department is tasked with enforcing the emergency order. He says while investigating the nearly 2,500 other complaints, business owners agreed to comply.
This is not a fun job for us. I mean, believe me, we're not enjoying this. But we have to do it to make sure that we curb this increase in the number of cases here.
Without a certification of occupancy, the U-Haul building off Blue Ridge Boulevard cannot be used or occupied until further written notice and the certificate of occupancy has been reinstated. We asked U-Haul for comment. We received a written statement that said in part, quote, U-Haul has communicated with the city regarding the actions of some of its team members at the Truman Corners location. U-Haul has submitted a comprehensive compliance plan on behalf of this store. We have taken steps internally to ensure that all current mandates are met here.
That gets a little brutal, you know, because now you're going to shut down a business. But I think they should also comply. It's not that big of an issue. It's just a mask.
It's for my safety and for everybody else around me. I just don't understand why some folks get mad because somebody's trying to save their life.
Several community members say that while they don't want to see businesses closed during hard economic times, they do want business owners and employees to follow the mask order. We did see employees at this location today. A spokesperson for U-Haul says they got approval from a city inspector to allow employees to work outside of the building on the lot to help self-move customers. We are told a meeting is scheduled to take place to discuss compliancy plans. Reporting from Kansas City, Emily Rittman, KCTV5 News.